Hi, welcome to the Balbido Evangelistic Ministries verse of the day. 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verses 12 to 15 says, Now if any man build upon this foundation gold, silver, precious stones, wood, hay, stubble, every man's work shall be made manifest, for the day shall declare it, because it shall be revealed by fire. And the fire shall try every man's work of what sort it is. If any man's work abide, which he hath built, thereupon he shall receive a reward. If any man's work shall be burned, he shall suffer loss, but he himself shall be saved, yet so as by fire. Now this means there are two kinds of good, human good and divine good. Human good is dead works, which is combustible, to be burned during the judgment seat of Christ. That means it will go up in flames. So it's not rewardable during the judgment seat of Christ. While divine good is the treasures in heaven, non-combustible. This is the only kind of good that is rewardable during the judgment seat of Christ. This is compared to the sweet fragrance to God.